Hey, welcome back guys. Let's create this text reveal in After Effects where some outlines will reveal this handwritten text. Isn't it fancy? It will do so well if you want to do motion graphics with typography elements like this text. Let's start creating one. So once you've made a composition, click on the type tool to type anything with a handwritten font like this. And then we're going to create a path where the outlines will go along. Click on the pencil. Make sure that the fill is turned off. None. Click on OK, and then make sure that the thickness of the stroke is less, so that you know where the path is on. So let's create the path. Let's say if you want the strokes to start appearing from here. Click on it. Hold the left click button on your mouse to bend it so that the path is curvy, just like this. And then starting from here, bend it again. And then it goes here. Starting from here, you want to trace the text just like this, so that all of the text is closed. And then after the outlines go along this part of the path, the text will be revealed. And then let's edit the vector by clicking on the selection tool. Edit the curvature by dragging the arrowheads just like this, so that it looks neater. Increase the thickness of the stroke by dragging the slider here, and then make sure every part of the text is closed just like this. Once you're done, let's do some tweaks with the roundness of the ends of the stroke. Go under the shape layer and then go to contents, shape 1, and then afterwards go to stroke, and then change the line cap into round cap, so that when we click on here, and then you head over to trim path, and then you sort of change the end amount. See, the ends will be rounded like this. And then we want to do a this kind of outline where the outline is shortened, and then click on the stopwatch to start animating the outline so that it goes along the path. You want to increase the thickness of the stroke so that it entirely closes. You want to make sure that the stroke, the outline entirely closes the text just like this, and then bring it back to 3%. And then afterwards you decrease the offset amount to this. Maybe extend the path so that it disappears. And then afterwards, let's say if you want to do a 3-second outline animation, drag the offset until it reaches this point, this area, and then starting from here, it's going to reveal the text quickly after this outline for 2 seconds. So drag the time indicator to 5 seconds, and then simply increase the offset just like this. And then it ends here. And then let's smoothen the movement. Select this keyframe and then right click assistant and then easy ease, right click assistant easy ease, and then for this one let's change the velocity to 50%. It covers the the text just like this, and then copy and paste this to create the masking for the text. So let's color this green, for example. So 00FF00, just like this. And then afterwards you simply go on the trim paths and then increase the ends, just like this. And then click on the stopwatch for end, and then at 5 seconds simply decrease it, just like this. So that the green area masks the entire text, just like this. And then when it's done, you can simply start from 3 seconds. Hold on. Wait. From here, and then Control Shift D. Make this one appear again, and then for the text, Control Shift D to trim it. Bring it to the second, the second column. I mean, just under the green part. So it looks like this pretty much. And then let's pre-compose this. Select them all, and then right click, pre-compose, and then name it text masking. Enter, just like this. And then remove the green part by typing keylight, which will remove the green part. And then use the eyedropper tool to click on the green area, just like this. And then all set. It's almost done, actually. Hold on. Let's put the text underneath, just like this. And then go to text masking again, and then let's say if you want the end to be like this. Maybe like just decrease the thickness of the stroke, so it looks like this pretty much. Now it looks fancy. Ooh, fancy. We start from here. Control D, just like this. Delete this, and then ooh, fancy. Now the outlines. Reveal this text, just like this. Isn't it easy? You can even add more outlines. Copy this and then paste it, and then let's say if you want to have this time offset, just like so, and then you can sort of decrease the thickness. And then let's say if you want to color this with the color of the background, for example, you want to have dark blue kind of color, just like this. And then we're going to create the outlines outside of this. Click on this one and then head over to stroke, and then increase the width. Make it go, hold on, make it go underneath this, and then increase the width, just like this. And then change the line cap into round cap, just like this. And then let's say if you want to color this outline yellow, just like so, this yellow. And then click on OK when you're done. You can even increase the width of the stroke, just like this. And then you want to add more strokes. Copy this one and then paste it. And then let's say if you want to have this time offset, and then you sort of make the outlines longer, go to stroke, and then decrease the stroke width. And then let's say if you want to color it white, just like this. And then you go to trim path, and then increase the end, just like this. And then you sort of make it disappear here. Control Shift D. and then make it go under this text layer. No. Outline layer, sorry. Just like this. And then when you're done, it'll look like this pretty much. Ooh, fancy! Add a background. Right click. No. Let's say the color of this outline is dark blue. Copy the hex color. Okay, and then create a background. Right click, new, solid, and then paste the color hex. Click on OK, click on OK. And you're done creating this text reveal by incorporating outlines that will reveal the handwritten text in After Effects. Isn't it easy? And it looks cool too. Fancy! That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!